Did you know you're only 3 clicks away from getting your hands on the world's first 4-in-1 done-for-you free buyer traffic app that allows you to get traffic to any link, website, or funnel of your choice from a secret traffic source of over 400 million hungry buyers? If that sounds exciting, then listen up. My expert team and I have developed a brand new, never-before-seen cloud-based software that's enabled us to generate free traffic with just a few clicks. In fact, this brand new software even creates multiple done-for-you profit sites which are designed to generate commissions from high-ticket affiliate offers. We've been using this exact same system and cloud-based app to get traffic, leads, and high-ticket commissions every day in our business for the past few years. No blogging, content creation, video creation, or creating products required to make this work. And you don't even need any experience or tech skills. Just plug your links into the software and your done-for-you profit sites will be traffic ready in under 60 seconds. Hey, if you like the sound of that, we want to give you the opportunity to get your hands on this groundbreaking, first-of-its-kind software before anyone else. This is a 100% done-for-you cloud-based software and system that's designed to help you get the traffic you need to crush it as an affiliate in 2021. Meaning you'll finally be able to chill out and live the real laptop lifestyle. Without further ado, please allow me to introduce to you Energize. Energize is a cloud-based app that replicates the same profit system that's enabled us to generate free buyer traffic every day in our online business for the past few years. This free buyer traffic allows us to build huge email lists and generate high-ticket commissions at exactly the same time inside one easy-to-use dashboard. This brand new cloud-based app is your one-stop solution for generating traffic, and you can be up and running in just 3 steps. Step 1. Click the buy button on the page below to secure your copy. Step 2. Log in and enter your details into the system. Step 3. Switch on the built-in buyer traffic. Yep, it's as easy as that. If you can follow those simple steps, then you'll see success with the Energize software and system. And remember, what's so great about the Energize system? That there's no video creation, no SEO, and no paid traffic required to make this work. In other words, you don't need to do anything tedious, tiring, boring, or expensive. With Energize, it won't be long before you see the traffic rolling in. And the best part about Energize? There are no monthly costs. This is a 100% newbie-proof system and formula that's enabled us to generate thousands daily on the internet. And now it's your turn to replicate the exact same system. Below, you'll see actual results from beta testers, including complete beginners, already crushing it with Energize. Now, while we plan on charging at least $197 a month for this in the near future, you won't pay anywhere close to that today. When you act now, it's just a tiny one-time investment. You'll also get multiple custom bonuses to maximize your results. Bonuses that you won't find anywhere else because no one else has them. Because your success is the only thing that matters, you're covered by our pro US-based support team to swiftly answer any question you may have once inside. And to make your decision a complete no-brainer, your tiny investment's protected by our industry-leading 180-day money-back guarantee. Use the app, DFY Profit Sites, and the free buyer traffic for up to 6 months completely risk-free. There's only one catch. To get everything at this insanely low one-time cost, you need to act right now to take advantage of this launch deal. So if you're ready to tap into free traffic from our super secret 400 million traffic source that has enabled us to generate high-ticket commissions daily, then click below to lock in your discount immediately. Hurry and take action right now because the price of Energize is increasing every 60 minutes. If you come back later, you will pay more, and we don't want you to miss out. Check below for even more details about this incredible brand new cloud-based app, and then hurry to lock in your access at this exclusive discount. I'll see you on the inside.